Thanks so much for staying with us for the weather report and forecast. Now, across the Caribbean this evening, there are stable conditions and there is high pressure dominating most of the area. We do have a trough system that is in the eastern portion of the basin. We're seeing scattered clouds, but no significant shower or thunderstorm activity. Dry conditions are expected to persist into this weekend and to the start of next week, but we do have a frontal system that is likely to be over the western portion of the Caribbean sometime in the morning on Tuesday. Now, the forecast for tonight: expect partly cloudy skies across sections of the island, but there are generally fair conditions expected across central and western parishes. Temperatures 23 degrees Celsius for both Kingston and for Montego Bay. Expect 5-knot winds on both coasts, from the north on the south and from the east-southeast along the north coast. Now, in the morning tomorrow, we are expecting partly cloudy conditions across sections of eastern parishes with generally fair skies elsewhere, and in the afternoon, more of those showers are expected to return, particularly to inland areas. We do have temperatures reaching 31 degrees Celsius for both Kingston and for Montego Bay. Now, our breakdown has partly cloudy skies across most of the area, but you can expect some shower activity if you're in Santa Cruz or in Lucy or Montego Bay. Partly cloudy conditions persist also for sections of the north. There are showers expected mainly across sections of Port Maria, Port Antonio, also for Ocho Rios. It's partly cloudy for inland areas of Golden Spring and Bogwalk, also for Moco, Christiana and Green Chill, but we do have shower activity likely in the afternoon in K Valley. Isolated showers are expected this weekend, on Sunday, also on Monday and on Tuesday. For the marine forecast, the winds are easterly on the north coast tomorrow at 10 to 15 knots, wave heights between 1 and 1.5 meters. On the south coast, we're expecting an east-southeasterly wind at 10 to 15 knots, wave heights also between 1 and 1.5 meters. While for offshore areas, the winds are from the northeast at 10 to 15 knots, the wave heights between 1 and 1.5 meters. And for offshore areas for the next 3 days, expect the winds from the east on Sunday and then from the east-northeast on Monday and Tuesday. The sunset in Kingston tomorrow is at 5:57, at 6 o'clock in Mandeville, and at 6:06 in Negril. That's it for the weather report and forecast for this evening. Well, we thank you so much for watching.